Go ahead.
Okay, we're going in birth order.
Okay.
Okay. Here's Pam. Jeffrey.
These are tulips.
Tracy. Gina. Christopher. Hi, Dad. Whee! Down the brook they go. Can you get them?
Look at the friggin' water, you guys.
Can you see that? Get
Yeah.
in. Get Gina. Gina's about to make the corner.
Gina's making a corner.
Oh, somebody's lodged in the bushes.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, they're going.
Look at that.
That was Chris that just made the corner. It was Gina that was under there, but she's going. I think Pam and Tracy and Jeff are already halfway started.
Look at the water. Unbelievable.
Okay, well, Dad, happy spring.
He won't be happy about the bridge.
Yeah. We promised we wouldn't tell you, though. Oh, Lord. Okay.
His forget-me-nots are coming up. And
The violets are up.
The violets are up.
And we stole
Columbine. And we stole the rhubarb. And it's raining, so we're leaving.
Bye.
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Dad.